Hey guys, I am going to give you a screencast now about how to use NoodleTools to cite a Newsela article. Okay, super useful skill. It's probably going to come in handy a lot over the next couple years. Okay, so here is my Newsela article that I gave to you. This is the article that I printed for you. Opinion, why these friendly robots can't be good friends to our kids. Okay, so first things first, I need to create a project for this. A project on NoodleTools. So if you notice, I already have one called Tech Research Project. I already made that. If you don't have a project yet, which you all won't, you clicked New Project right there and type in a title, Tech Research or Robot Research. And I choose MLA, citation style, and citation level advanced. Okay, then you click Submit. But I've already done that, so I'm not going to click that. And you close this. Okay. Then click on the title of your project. Open it up. It takes you to the dashboard. You notice that this is the one that's highlighted. We don't want that. We want sources. So you click sources. Now, click the green button, Create New Citation. Dun, da, da. Now, I know you read this on paper, but I printed it from a website. So we want to click, where is it? It was on a website. What is it? It's a newspaper article. Now, I know that because I look up here and it says Washington Post. I know that that's a newspaper. If you can recognize that it's a newspaper right off the bat, which is pretty common, then you would say, great, it's a newspaper. If you're not sure, ask me. Sometimes it's from an encyclopedia, sometimes it's from a history book. It's hard to know. So just let me know if you have any questions. But I know that this is a newspaper. The Washington Post is a newspaper. Things with the word like Times and Post generally are newspapers. Now, if you had done this research on your own computer, you would have the URL here. And you would highlight the URL from the top, copy it, and paste it there. But since I printed it for you, I did that for you. But you're going to click Today, Most Recent Date of Access, Container Website. This is where we type Newsela. Okay, because that's what contained this article. Article, authors. Sometimes Newsela articles don't have authors, sometimes they do. This one has the author, do you see? Sherry Turkle, Washington Post, adapted by Newsela staff. Okay. So author, Sherry. If you push tab, it takes you to the next boxes. I'm going to do that. Tab, tab, Turkle. Now I need to add another contributor. And it is Newsela staff. Okay. Article title, opinion. Ooh, look at this little box that came up. Capitalize the first letter of the first word, last word, subtitle, and all principal words. Let's look. So principal words, meaning everything except for, always capitalize all other nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives. We don't capitalize a and the unless they're first. Against, as, between, in, of, to, and coordinating conjunctions. And, but, for, or, yet, or the to and infinitives. Okay, so my title is opinion. Why? Yeah, I want to keep that. These, yeah. Friendly, that's an adjective. Robots, a noun. Can't be good friends. All principal words. Now here comes to. Let me look over here. To. I don't think to would get used because it's a preposition. So good friends, to, lowercase, our kids. English translation, no, because it was in English. Section, I don't know. Pages, I don't know, because I didn't look at it in a newspaper. Now, name of newspaper, Washington Post. Don't worry about publication city. It's nationally published. Publication date. On this, it says 12/18/17. Do you see that? 12/18/17. That is the American dating system. So that is month, December. That the first number is the month. The next number is the day, the 18th. And then 2017. And there is no edition. Okay? Woohoo! Now we get to click Save. And look at this beautiful source now. Oh, look how pretty. Very nice. Okay, let me give you another example. Here's another article. Notice this one does not have an author. It just has an adaptation. Okay? So, and it says by Associated Press, adapted by Newsela staff. Associated Press is a newspaper, okay? So let's do that one really quick with no author. So create new citation. Website, newspaper. Okay, I don't know the URL. Today is my recent date of access because I'm accessing it right now. Name of container website, Newsela. Okay, author. Let me see here if it says anything about this. Add names and roles and the names are okay. So I'm going to put first name, Associated Press. I don't know, last name or group, sorry. Put all of that over here. Associated Press. I think I just learned something. I think I shouldn't have put Newsela staff in first name. I should have put it in group last name. Look at this. You learned something. I'm not perfect. Okay. Then I want to add another author. And now I'm going to put Newsela staff. Okay. Article title. More schools are giving in and to. Let's just double check. Prepositions, that's in and to. I don't capitalize those. Are giving in to parents' demands about. I'm going to guess that about is a preposition. Okay. Section, we don't know, it wasn't translated. We don't know the section. Name of newspaper. Associated Press. We don't, there's no city, it's nationally. Publication date. Four 12/18. 4 month, April 12th, 2018. No addition. And save. Very cool. So, it ended up working out okay. The fact that I put this one I put in the first name instead of group, it figured it out. But notice what it does here. Now, okay, once you put all your sources in, what do you do now? I want to turn this in. I want to add this to the bottom of my outline. Okay, so you're going to go up here to where it says print export. Okay, I want you to click print export to Google Docs. Yes. See it? Print export to Google Docs. Now I'm going to wait. It's doing it. Okay, I'm going to choose that one. Allow. We do trust NoodleTools, don't worry. Ooh, look how awesome that is. It even called it Sources for Tech Research Project. What a nice title. That is the kind of title I would have given it to. So now what you want to do is highlight. Now, notice what it's done here. It has indented the second line of this citation. That is on purpose. That is how it's supposed to look. NoodleTools is smart, and NoodleTools knows how to format your works cited. So trust NoodleTools. Trust them. They know what they're doing. So see where this is? Don't take this away. Don't change this. What you want to do is highlight it. Control C. Open up your outline and paste it to the bottom. I'm trying to see if I've got an outline. Just hanging out here waiting. I don't. So you would open your, let's say I go to my Google Drive. Hold on. Let's see. What if I go and I look for Beatriz? Sorry, Bea. Hopefully you're okay with me showing your outline. So I'm going to find Beatriz's outline. Bea. And I'm going to paste it into the bottom. Okay. So I'm going to take this back out. Don't worry. I won't make this forever. Okay. I'm going to roll down to the bottom of hers. Okay. And then I'm going to paste Control V. Command V. Ta-da! We're excited on my outline. Woo! So that way, if someone's reading your evidence and they're like, interesting, I want to read that full article. They can look at your short title here, roll down to your works cited, see where it came from, and find it themselves. It's the circle of research. It's the circle. Okay? So this was my quick video about how, 10 minutes, about how to cite a Newsela article in NoodleTools, how to export that work cited, and how to put that at the bottom of your outline. All right. Good luck.